Fusefy, we're transforming how voice agents connect with users. And powering that transformation is Retell AI's robust phone number feature that enables you to make outbound calls by either purchasing a number directly or integrating your own via SIPTrunking. To integrate Twilio with Retell AI for outbound calls, go to the phone number section in the Retell AI dashboard. Here you'll find two options. One is to buy a number directly from Retell AI, and the other is to use SIPTrunking, which allows you to connect your own number via Twilio. If you choose SIPTrunking, the next step is to head over to your Twilio console and go to Voice, Elastic SIP Trunks. This is where you create a SIP trunk that Retell AI will use to make and receive calls. Before setting it up, it's important to refer to the official Retell AI Twilio integration documentation, which outlines essential configuration details. After completing the prerequisites outlined in the documentation, proceed to buy a number by going to Phone Numbers, then Buy a Number in Twilio, and purchase a number of your choice. For example, a US number with the desired area code. Once you've bought the number, go back to Retell AI's SIP trunking section. You'll now need to input the Twilio number you just purchased, along with the SIP trunk credentials provided in your Twilio setup. Assign a name to the trunk and click Save. If you're using Twilio for the first time, you may also need to complete identity verification inside Twilio. Select your number, assign it to the agent, and you're ready for outbound calls.